Okay, before we continue, I want to clean up my scene with layer manager before it become very mess. So I go to layer manager, select my wall and click on create new layer containing selected object. So when I click on this, it will automatically add my wall which was selected. I change its name to wall, select a window, the same window. Okay, so now anytime I can hide or freeze them. Remember when, for example, I am in the window layer is selected and it is hide. If I want to create any object, I cannot see anything. You should remember that before you create anything, choose a default layer or another layer which you are creating the object for that. So I active my default layer and hide the window. I need it now. I create a box in the top view, active the vertex snap, so the I can create at the top. The height I just give the 5. We don't really need the height. 5 centimeter. Make sure it is upper than the wall is right. Then just select this, hold down the shift and click. I select just wall, just sailing, change the name to sailing 2. Hold on the shift, click and drag, put it in the 0 origin. Now I just change it from 5 to -5 to go down. Well, I changed the name of this to floor because many times I just need to hide the ceiling and keep the floor. I make 2 layers for them. Maybe you think it is too much layers, but for now we need ceiling, hide the ceiling, choose the floor, make the new layer floor. The floor I don't want to be hide. Right. I give them actually a material for the all. Then I want to create the baseboard of the room. Baseboard, if you search the image the Google image, and you will find a lot of picture, variety of the shape and the style. It is the section at the bottom of the wall. I want to create one very simple. Later you can search more information and create what you like. So in the front view I need 2 things. One is the baseboard pad and another is baseboard section. So for the section I will use the line at the bottom, create a shape, hold down the shift to make sure it is the right. Yes, close it. After I create my rough, I create a section very roughly. Now I come to smooth it, and this I don't want this to be so sharp. Okay, this is my section. You can actually create something better for the pad, because my room is very simple, just a square, just a rectangle, so I can easily make the rectangle. But sometimes your house is so complex, so actually I have another video. You can see it also in the website. Is a bonus video, is free, so you will know how you can make the path for the complex walls. I use the rectangle, make sure the vertex is active, and click and drag. Right, this is my baseboard pad. And here I also have the baseboard section. Right, I need to put it down, the pad. Is at the top, I at the 0 section here. I will use the sweep modifier. While the pad is selected, let me to just hide the floor. Okay, I was creating this in the floor, so I will just select both of them, the pad actually. Okay, baseboard pad and the baseboard, and create them in the new layer called baseboard. Now I can hide the floor. Well, the baseboard pad is selected now, and I will go to the sweep modifier. It has its section part. You can look at them, and sometimes you can use them, pipe, T, or white channel bar. But in this for this baseboard, I want to use my own section. I will use the custom section. Pick the section. The place is not right. You can easily see it from the other views. So I should align it here. No center. Okay, I use this align this part, so it is exactly on the wall, but I need to mirror it. You see, the face is on the wall. One thing is that sometimes when you want to zoom, it cannot be zoomed so much. You have this problem. So you need to select your object and use the extended selected, then again zoom. But if you find it cannot, because your shape, your actually object is so wide, actually the problem is in configure. If you come here, the field of view, you cannot zoom so much. So one of the way that I use is I create one small object near the place, then hit the zoom extend. I need to again is it zoom extend? sorry, the color has been changed in the Max 2011. So zoom extend selected, then it will be zoom to the place near the place that I want, then I can delete it. Now I can see that the direction has a problem, so I need to mirror it. I have two mirror. I will select, okay, this mirror solve my problem, mirror on XZ plan. It is very smooth, I don't want it to be smooth, and I can deactivate the smooth for the pad and section. The section I need to be, but the pad I will deactivate. Actually this for my section, this is 2, I will fuse and then fill a little bit, should be weld, then fill very small actually amount, zoom so much, I want it to be a little bit smoother. Okay, this also downer. Okay, right, so we create our baseboard at the bottom of the wall. You can check it from all the side, and this is